Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable stabilization on Insta360 GO Ultra. Okay, so in order to do it, you will need to be in a video mode, then click on this button right here and find stabilization. Now you can set it to off, low, standard or high. And now you can see when I set it to off and when I start using the camera and I start wiggling it, you can see it's not well stabilized because it's not stabilized at all. So it's just normal, it's just how it's supposed to work. Now when I enable the stabilization to high, you will see the difference. Now I'm still wiggling the camera the same way, and you know it's not that bad. I'm gonna just keep on wiggling the camera, and I'm gonna switch back to stabilization off, and now you can see it's completely different. So that's what's worth keeping in mind, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.